Hi, I'm Rick Segall, and this is The Captivating Actor. How to improve your chances of success in the craft and your career. Because we here at The Captivating Company want to help you be a better you. We're going to have a lot of fun. This is going to take 11 weeks. 11 weeks, yes, 11 weeks of your life. But you could do it a lot faster if you want to. I can actually show you how to time travel. Take 11 weeks of your life and compress them into little bitty nuggets so that the 11 weeks could actually be 11 hours. It depends on you. I like to say you can do this with one video a day. Each video lasts about 3 to 4 minutes. During the journey, you're going to watch one video a day. You could watch 7 videos in one day and you'd knock out a week. Why? Because there's one video a day for 7 days a week. There's no breaks here because there's no breaks in the industry unless you're on hiatus. But no. Watch the videos one by one. You may want to watch them more than once because I'm going to go really fast. Isn't that a surprise? And we're going to cover all the stuff behind me and then some, like my stool. You'll find out what that means in week number 11. But we're going to talk about everything from what is an actor, what is an actress, what is method, what is technique, what are reels, what are headshots, what's my identity, what is success, what is theory, what's the industry, what is suspension of disbelief and why should it matter to me, what are auditions, what is substitution, what is imagination, and I haven't even covered everything on the agenda. What? Welcome to the cavalcade and cornucopia that is my mind. I am Rick Segall. I used to be known as Ricky Segall because I was little, and then I grew up and changed my name to Rick because that sounds more mature than being called Ricky. If you watch The Partridge Family, you're much older than I am because I didn't watch it. I was too little. I was on that show when I was 4, and I started acting when I was 4 because I was on that show, and I've been acting ever since. I'm now 107, and I've learned a lot, and I want to share it with you, and that's why we're here. Watch each of the videos one by one. You know what you could do?
Age really fast, like I'm doing right in front of you right now. You could go into any week you want to, and it's going to help you become wherever you want to become as an actor. Because the objective of being an actor is becoming another human being, because we all want to do that, don't we? Why I felt like I had to morph into this old geezer, I don't know. And if you're offended by the word geezer, I don't think you should watch this series, because I'm going to say a lot more offensive stuff like stool. Come with me on our journey, come. Come with me on our journey, come with me, let's act together, come on the journey, come on the journey, come with me, we go like the 7 dwarves and whistle while we work, come with me, let's act together, let's be actors.